How to open line AT&T phone. Let's get started. Opening or unlocking an AT&T phone allows it to be used with other carrier SIM cards. The very first thing you want to do is check if your phone is eligible or not. AT&T allows customers to request unlocking for their phones if they meet certain eligibility criteria. This typically includes having a device that is fully paid off, not reported, lost or stolen, and not associated with any fraudulent activity. Then you will need to find your IMEI number. You can usually find it by dialing *#06# on your phone's keypad or by checking the device settings. Once you have confirmed that your phone is eligible and have the IMEI number, you can request unlocking from AT&T. So head towards the official website of AT&T, launch your preferred browser and then type in att.com and search for it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now you will need to log into your account, so go ahead and click on this option of My AT&T and then click on the option of Sign In. Now over here type in your user ID. In the case you have forgotten your user ID, click on the option of Forget User ID to recover it. After you fill this, click on the option of Continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and with that you will be logged into your account. After you log in, you can submit an unlock request. After submitting the unlock request, AT&T will review it to ensure that your device meets the eligibility criteria. This process usually takes a few business days. If your unlock request is approved, AT&T will provide with you instructions on how to complete the unlocking process. This typically involves inserting a SIM card from another carrier and following the prompts on your phone. Follow the instructions provided by AT&T to complete unlocking process. This may involve restarting your phone or entering a code. Once the unlocking process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message or notification on your phone. You can then test the phone with a SIM card from another carrier to ensure that it's working properly. By following these steps, you will be able to open line AT&T phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.